The 2025 Ferrari 12 Cilindri is an exquisite, high-performance car that represents Ferrari's dedication to innovation, luxury, and unmatched power. Here's a detailed overview. Engine and performance. Engine type: 6.5-liter V12 naturally aspirated horsepower, 830 horsepower torque, 690 Nm. Transmission: 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Acceleration: 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2.8 seconds. Top speed: over 211 miles per hour, 340 kilometers per hour. Drivetrain: rear-wheel drive hybrid assistance, electric motor for improved performance and fuel efficiency. Design: exterior: the 12 Cilindri has an aerodynamic design, featuring aggressive lines and an iconic front grille. It has a wide stance with sculpted sides to enhance airflow. Lighting: sleek LED headlights and taillights, contributing to a modern and distinctive look. Wheels: 20-inch lightweight alloy wheels with performance tires. Body materials: extensive use of carbon fiber and aluminum for weight reduction. Interior luxury features: the cabin features premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents. The driver-focused cockpit is designed for comfort and control. Infotainment system: a state-of-the-art system with a large central touchscreen, navigation, smartphone connectivity, and a premium audio system. Seating: sports bucket seats with electric adjustment and memory function. Driver assistance: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for easier parking. Technology: hybrid system. The electric motor provides instant torque and enhances fuel efficiency while reducing emissions. Active aerodynamics: adaptive aero elements adjust for optimal downforce and drag reduction based on driving conditions. Suspension: adaptive suspension for a balance between comfort and performance, featuring a race mode for enhanced handling. Driving dynamics modes: multiple drive modes including comfort, sport, race, and EV mode for short distances using electric power only. Handling: rear-wheel steering for better agility, particularly in tight corners, and active anti-roll bars for improved stability. Price and availability: price expected to start around $450,000, with customization options that could significantly increase the cost. Availability: limited production run, making it a highly exclusive model. Most units have already been pre-booked by Ferrari's loyal clientele. Advantages: powerful V12 engine, a thrilling performance with a naturally aspirated engine, providing an exhilarating driving experience. Hybrid integration, enhanced efficiency and power due to the hybrid system. Luxurious interior, high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology provide a premium driving environment. Exclusivity: limited production adds to its allure. Disadvantages: high price, extremely expensive, making it accessible only to a select group of buyers. Limited practicality: low ground clearance and limited storage space make it less practical for daily use. Fuel economy: despite hybrid assistance, fuel efficiency is lower compared to smaller or more modern hybrid models. The 2025 Ferrari 12 Cilindri is a testament to Ferrari's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering, offering an unmatched blend of power, technology, and luxury.